So, whole, chicken, going whole. Stay out of garage. See how this works. Well, good morning. Thanks for joining us on Old Way On. We're going to be moving the chicken coop today, as well as separating the coop from the run to get ready for some chicks and to move our injured bird outdoors. And we're going to put a little hen haven for her so that she can stay out of the weather, stay separated from her flock, but still be near her flock so they don't forget who she is. All right, let's rock and roll. So here's our injured bird. You can see she's walking mostly normal. Got a little bit of a limp yet, but much better than she was before. She's been in the garage every night, and she's not afraid of the camera, that's for sure. Still laying eggs every day. So because it's not going to freeze at night, I'm going to go ahead and set up the run for her. No, they're still hurting her. They don't like her. Easy now. Yeah, you can't be over there. They're going to mess you up. You can't just go back into the flock. You got to take this a step at a time. Yeah. You're at the bottom of the pecking order now, baby. We'll also be able to move our tea leaves back outside, thank goodness. Get our space back in the barn dominium. The chicken has been sitting here between the couches at night with the double bin, one on top of the other. And you don't realize how dirty birds are until you bring them into a living quarters. It is extremely ridiculous how much they are just dirty. There's no way around it. They are not inside animals at all. Okay, we got a little bit of wood left. We've been burning pretty steadily through the really cold stuff, keeping the barn here above freezing. And yeah, should be. And of course the dog's dirty. Never ends. Never ends. Oh well. The other bad thing about letting a bird inside, now she thinks she can be in here all the time. So that's not good. All right, we got to take the tiller off. We're going to move the coop. We're going to put in some new shavings, move the pen, get her set up, get this all done, and then we can move on to our next chore. Get this chicken out of here. She ends up pooping on the carpet, perching on the couches. She's probably pretty thirsty. Are you thirsty? Huh? Let's go back outside. Come on. Let's go back outside. Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, look at you on the top of the world. Yeah, look at you. What you doing up there? Huh? What you doing up there? She's like, I'm not supposed to be up there. Yeah, they don't like her. She is not part of the flock at the moment. Maddie's like, I don't like this. They should not be fighting. If you got just took the Jeep today because I got some window repairs to go look for some cracked glass. So she had the hitch, so I had to figure out a different way to hook that up, but we got it hooked up. Move the chicken coop. Now it's time to set up the new fence, put in the new bedding, yada yada yada. Chores. If we had some birds in here, like, well, she just enjoyed the ride, getting ready to give us some breakfast. Right? Get the mouse! Get the mouse! All right, that's enough. That's enough. Hey. Stop. That's enough. There you go. Get it. That's right. Get it. You're supposed to get the mice. Move the fence. Very nice. Now it's time to get the run set for our lame bird. All right, let's move the electric fence. Good enough. One more. Here we go. Okay, it's afternoon now, and I had to make some sales calls and, you know, go deliver produce and do the chores and things. But we got to finish this. Chicken project. Maddie! So, yeah. As soon as the dog sees that there's neighbors over, she instantly goes over there to get treats. So, all right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to build our gimpy chicken. We're going to give her a little nest, a little box here to live in the chicken run. So we're going to use our handy dandy Milwaukee tool to cut out of the box here. I had started setting this up for doing vermiculture in this, and we're gonna do a different direction with vermiculture. So right now everything's living in the the buckets over there where the tea leaves are. That's where all the worms are. That's how they overwintered. So we're gonna have the chicken in the coop, and then I got extra feeders. So basically she needs to be with the flock, but right now she's been away from the flock long enough where they beat up on her, so we got to fix that. So she'll have the little run, they'll have the coop and the big run. They'll all get together, but they're still separated. All right, so we're going to cut this down, make that her shelter area, and then we'll see how that goes. Then put some shavings in there. All right, so let's see how much of a hole does she need. Not gonna win any awards, but it'll work. It'll work, right? So, hole, chicken, go in hole. Stay out of garage. See how this works. All right, so we got her figured out here. So she's got her little house nested in there. A little bit of food in there, you'll see. over the container here, food and water, but she's encased. She's encased by herself, so she should be able to make it. We'll see what she does tonight. And then the big birds have the big feeder and the big waterer. So this is what I got to work with, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll report back to see if it's something that is worth reporting on. Ideally we would have a couple of coops, but I just don't have them made yet. So we'll see where it goes from here. So yeah, my name is Ryan with Old Way On. Thanks for watching. I hope we've earned your subscription today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, thumbs up, give a comment. That all helps us with the interwebs doing its algorithmic thingy-majiggers and helps it do more thingy-majiggers. So if you want to be a thingy-majigger helper, do the things. Thanks for watching.